everyone, it's Cleofe again and welcome to Crafting Shed. For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet this simple yet elegant scarf. This is quick to crochet scarf with only one pattern repeat. This is heavy texture for really cold weather, designed with slanted shells, which to me is a really distinctive layout. This scarf has a matching beanie, which I also did a tutorial on, and the link of the tutorial is in the description below. Now let's get started! For the materials, I used 3 skeins of this Heartland yarn by Lion brand. This is size 4 medium weight yarn. One skein is about 251 yards, so you can use any size 4 of about 700 yards, and this is in Yosemite color. I use size J 6mm crochet hook. I also needed a blunt needle, a pair of scissors, markers, and tape measure. Leave a long tail, and let's start with a knot and chain 34. So this pattern is a multiple of 4 plus 2. And this is now 34 chains. Foundation row, single crochet in second chain from hook. So 1, 2, single crochet in this chain on the bump. So on the bump right here, single crochet and single crochet in the next chain on the bump again. And just keep repeating the pattern, single crochet in each chain across on the bump. So I'm going to continue my work. I'll be cutting off the video and I'll be back when I'm done with my foundation row. And this is now what my foundation row looks like. Row 1, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn, 2 double crochets in the same stitch. So 1, 2, skip 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and on the next stitch we're going to shell. Shell is single crochet, chain 2, 4 double crochets in the same stitch. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 double crochets in the same stitch. This is what it looks like. Repeat the pattern, skip 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and shell in the next stitch. So single crochet, chain 2, 4 double crochets, all in the same stitch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's another shell. Repeat the pattern, skip 3 stitches, and shell in the next stitch. Single crochet, chain 2, 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So repeat this pattern across. I'll be cutting off the video and I'll be back towards the end of the row. I'm here now towards the end of the row, so I'm going to do the last shell, skip 3 stitches and shell in the next. Single crochet, chain 2, 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And to end this row, skip the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet in the last stitch or in the turning chain. So this is how to end row 1, and this is what row 1 looks like. Row 2, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn, 2 double crochets in the same stitch, 1, 2, then skip the next 4 double crochets and find the next chain 2 space right here, and we're going to shell in this chain 2 space. So single crochet, chain 2, 4 double crochets in the same chain 2 space. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's another shell in row 2. Then repeat the pattern, skip the next 4 double crochets and find the next chain 2 space and shell. So single crochet, chain 2, 4 double crochets all in the same chain 2 space. So this is 2, 3, and 4. Repeat, find the next chain 2 space and shell. Single crochet, chain 2, 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So repeat this pattern across. I'll be cutting off the video and I'll be back towards the end of the row. I'm here now towards the end of the row, and from here I'm just going to do the last shell. So find the next chain 2 space and shell, which is single crochet, chain 2, 4 double crochets all in the same chain 2 space. This is 3 and 4. Then to end this row, single crochet in the first chain 3 space right here. So single crochet in this space. This is how to end row 2, and this is what row 2 looks like. So starting on the next row, row 3, just repeat row 2 until piece measures about 30 inches or your desired measurement. So I'm going to continue my work. I'll be cutting off the video and I'll be back when I'm done with 30 inches of my piece. And this is now what the piece looks like after 30 inches. So we started here. There's the close-up of the design of the pattern. And the last row is right here, up here, and this is about 30 inches. And this will be our first panel. And crochet another panel of exactly the same pattern. And here are now my 2 panels of exactly the same pattern and the same length. And I'm going to join these together here at the foundation rows to make this into one piece. Lay the 2 panels like this with the foundation rows facing each other. Then using the long tail, I'm going to sew the 2 edges together using mattress stitch. So from here all the way up to join it into one piece. And this is now what my piece looks like after they are joined together here at the edges. So this is mattress stitch joined together all the way up here. And at this point, we're done. Weave the ends, clean up the tails, and we're done. And this is now what the piece looks like, all cleaned up and all done. For the measurements, the length is about 62 inches. So from here left all the way to the right is 62 inches. And the width is about 9 inches. If you're new to my channel, please check out my other videos. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you like this video and please subscribe.